Hi guys, in this video we're going to have a look at how we can create this very nice magic logo in here with these particles, and we're going to do this right inside of After Effects using the magic particles logo template. So let's get started. I'm going to close this for now, and right here I am right inside of the template, right inside of After Effects. And if I go to this section here, the project window, as you can see in here, everything is set up already for us. And basically what we need to do is we need to import our logo, our slogan, and then modify any colors that we would like to change. So let's get started. Let's go to the first folder in here, place your logo here, double click on that, and we're simply going to import our logo. So bring the logo in here inside of your After Effects project panel in here. Just drag and drop from your Explorer, and then simply drag and drop right over here. Then press S for scale, and you can scale this up or down so that it fits correctly right inside of this box in here. Perfect. So the next part is your slogan. Double click on that, and we can type in anything that we like in here. So let's type in a slogan. Perfect. And of course you can select this text and give it any character options in here, like changing its font, making it bold, etc. So feel free to experiment with that. And then the next step is to modify the colors. So let's double click on that, and if we go to the end part of this, you will see that everything is loaded up for us in here. So you see the logo and the text in here. And if we go to the first part of this in here, we can start tweaking the colors. So in here we have a layer named color control. Select that and go to effect controls in here. And in here you have all the options that you need to use for setting up the colors. So the first one is right particles color, and what you need to tweak basically is simply the colorize hue and the colorize saturation. And you're simply going to scrub through this value to get another color. And as you can see, as I scrub through this, you will see color changing right over here, and you can stop when you find the color that you like. So let's make this green like that. You also see a preview of the color you're at in here. And in here you have the color saturation, which you can set to 0 for instance, and it will be desaturated, so just white. Or you can set it to 100 and it will be full in its color, like that. So I'm setting it something like 80. Perfect. And then you have the left particles color, and once again simply scrub through this. I'm going to use this like golden color in here. Very nice. I like it like it is. Then this center particle color, which is these particles in here. Once again scrub through it and go to a color that you like. Perfect. Let's scroll down, simply scrub through this like this, and you will find the particle explosion color. Now the explosion will happen at around 7 seconds in here. So let's go to that point, and you will see these particles in here. And if we scrub through this, you can change their color as well. So let's make these green, so that then we can make the logo green as well. And for the logo color, you simply need to click on that and change its color. Pick any color from here. So I'm going to give it that color. Very nice. And finally there's the background color, which we can change to anything that we like as well, just like that. Right now there's a little bit too much color, too much brightness in here, so I can, for instance, decrease the lightness of the color, the background, and also of the logo color in here. Something like this, and press OK. Perfect. So now if I scrub through this, you can see that everything is set up for us. You have that nice particles flowing in here. Actually, for the background color, I'm not sure about this color, so I'm going to give it something else. Something like dark blue or press OK. And that looks better. Perfect. So that's done. We're basically done with this. Now all you need to do is simply insert your music file and render. So let's go to, let me increase the brightness just a little bit of this one. Like that. Perfect. And now we can render. So to render, you can go to the project window, go to render your project here, and you can render in 4K, in Full HD or in HD. I'm going to use Full HD in this case. Now in here, what you need to do is you need to select the duration that you would like to have it in. It is pre-configured at 15 seconds, but you can decrease it if you like so. And to do that, simply pick this point in here and position it to a different point. So like this, it is 13 seconds. So that's it. Now we can add our music file. So this is very easy. Simply drag and drop your music file right inside of After Effects from your Explorer, and then drag and drop it right inside of your composition here. And that's basically it. So we're all set up. Now we're going to go to render this, so composition, and we're going to select add to render queue from here. This will open up our file inside of Adobe Media Encoder queue in here. And now we can give it its settings. So I like to use something like H.264. And then you can give it its output name in here. So simply type in, find your destination that you would like to render it in, and click save. Make sure that export audio is set to 1 if you want to export audio. You can preview this right in here as well. Of course, it will take a bit of time to render it like this, but there it goes. And finally, make sure that your resolution is the resolution that you would like. In this case, it is 1920 by 1080, perfect. And we're simply going to make sure that the target bitrate is at 35. So these are the settings that normally I would like to use for my video. So make sure that use maximum render quality is set to on and press OK. And that's basically it. Simply press the green button and it will start rendering your project. Of course, rendering time will depend on your computer and also the resolution that you are rendering it in. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that you enjoy using this template and find it very useful. Thank you very much.